Khamishi, Thursday, on the Gregorian calendar, and we are excitedly grocery shopping for our Passover Seder. Yay! Passover's tomorrow night, and we're so excited. The kids are helping shop, so we're picking stuff.
She's helping us shop.
I got the list, so yeah.
Right.
All right, we are headed to the next store to get the remaining things on our list, or at least more things that are on the list. Jesse's driving, Sarah is navigating, helping train him. He loves that he's got his permit now. This will be his first Passover with a permit. I got it. Sarah's making the soup. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, well, you know.
No one around. He killed the Egyptian and hid his body in the sand. The next day he went out and saw the two Hebrew men fighting with each other. To the one in the wrong, he said, why are you hitting your companion? He retorted, who appointed you ruler and
Our first Passover, we were with a huge congregation of people up in Minnesota, and this year it's just our small little group, me, Sarah, Rafi, Jesse, and I don't know, every time we do the feast, there's just another aspect of it, another depth to it, and I don't know, every year it just gets more and more personal.